Hello there, I am Sai, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Park Tool CT-5 mini chain tool. We're going to be using it to remove a link from a bike chain, and we're going to be replacing a link that we're going to remove with an additional chain link replacement for bike chains that looks like this. You'll need to make sure that you have the right size for your particular chain. This is the chain we're going to be removing a link from, and the reason is we're going to be replacing this derailleur in the back, but you won't be able to get the derailleur off the bike completely without taking apart the chain. Let's go ahead and get to it. This is what the Park Tool CT-5 mini chain tool looks like, and we're about to use it to remove a link from our chain. If you were looking at your chain, it might already have something like a quick link on it, and if it does, you can remove it without a tool. But if all of the links look the same, then that's when you're going to need a removal tool like this. So in this case, we're going to be removing one whole link, so that means I'm going to be removing 2 pins. If you are wanting to save your pins, you won't want to remove them completely, only through one side, and then there's still a chance you might have to replace them. And in this case, we're using the Park Tool to remove a whole link and replace it with a quick link. So here's how we do it. We just put our chain into the slots like you can see here, and then I'm going to screw this pin in here just like this, and you'll see when it hits the pin. Now I'm just going to gently turn it, and you'll start to feel the pin push through. And then as it starts to push through, you'll see it start to come out the back right in there. And we're going to go ahead and push this pin all the way out, since we are going to be replacing a whole chain link. And as you can see, we have completely removed that pin. I'm going to go ahead and do the link next to it. And now you can see we've removed a whole link of the chain. And in this case, I'm going to be replacing that link with the quick link. So now that I've replaced the derailleur, I'm ready to put the chain back on. And I've got my quick link. One quick thing that is very important: before you remove a link from your chain with your Park Tool chain breaker, when you're going to add a quick link to it, you want to make sure that the pieces that you're breaking are the outer pieces. So for example, I've already got this one broken, but if I was going to do another link, I would basically want to have this and this removed, so that this piece here and this piece here would still be intact, and then I could add the quick link through it. And so as you can see, you want to remove a place where the outer links are bigger. To reiterate that, you don't want to remove this piece and this piece, because if you were to remove this piece and this piece, then you would be removing this smaller link. You want to keep the smaller link. So you would remove this piece and this piece, so you remove this outer link. And so once you've done that, now you are ready to add your quick link, or in this case, you're ready to add your power link. You're just going to come through the back of the chain with one piece like that, and then you'll come through the front of the other piece like this. So you've got one coming from the front, one coming from the back, and then you're going to line them up so that these pins, or these pins right here, go through the smaller hole, or through the bigger hole I should say, right here for example. You line them up and push in. I'm doing the same with the other side. And once you've got them in, then you're going to pull tight until the pins snap into the outer hole, as you can see here. And that's the way it should be on the other side too. These power links are a one-time use, so you don't want to really be taking them apart and putting them back on, because you could wear out this space that is in here. So use it one time and then get a new one if you want to add a new one, because you're taking the chain off. Last thing to do is to just put our wheel on and test it out, see if it's working good. Okay, so you can see our chain is on the right way, and here is our quick link, or in this case, the SRAM PowerLink. And we're going to go ahead and turn it, and it's holding good, and the chain seems smooth. Doesn't seem like the link is causing any issue, so I'd say that was success. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Park Tool CT-5 mini chain tool, or chain breaker. If you did enjoy this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. Links are in the description in case you want to help support this channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.